Are you making US dollar purchases with your Rogers credit card and wondering what's the real deal with the cashback? You've probably seen the big, bold number, 3% cash back on US dollar purchases with the Rogers Red World Elite MasterCard. Sounds great, right? Almost too good to be true. And as with most things that sound too good to be true, there's a catch. Or, more accurately, there's a detail you absolutely need to know. Rogers credit cards, like most Canadian credit cards, have a foreign transaction fee. It's that little extra charge you see when you use your card in another currency. With Rogers, that fee is 2.5% of the transaction amount. So, how does that affect your cashback? Well, it essentially reduces your net gain. That advertised 3% cashback is on the gross amount, but the 2.5% foreign transaction fee is also applied to that same gross amount. This means your net cashback is really only 0.5% after the fee is applied. But here's the interesting part. If you're a Rogers customer with an eligible service, your rewards are even more valuable. When you redeem your cash back against eligible Rogers purchases, like your monthly bill, your cash back is worth 1.5 times its regular value. This means your US dollar purchases, which earn 3% in cash back, now get a 1.5x bonus. When you do the math, that's an effective 4.5% return. So, for Rogers customers, that 4.5% redemption value more than offsets the 2.5% foreign transaction fee, leaving you with a positive return. But if you're not a Rogers customer, or you don't plan on using your cash back for Rogers services, that 3% cash back is effectively just 0.5% once the foreign transaction fee is factored in. This is a critical distinction to understand. The Rogers credit card is an excellent tool for specific users. If you're a loyal Rogers customer who frequently makes purchases in US dollars, you're getting a great deal. If you're just looking for a card for general US travel or online shopping, there might be better options out there with no foreign transaction fees. The devil is always in the details. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.